Hi, welcome to Arthur's Garden and Life. I'm back from vacation now, so I've been doing a little working around the garden, and I want to get my yard-long green beans started. And I started working on this bed here before I went on vacation, and then vacation came up and I didn't get to quite finish. But it's ready now to start planting. I'll show you what I got. Stay there. Okay. I got the paper down first, and once I got the paper laid out, I put the blocks all around it and got them set up. As you can see, the blocks are all set up, and I topped it off with compost, and I got some little piles of some finer soil here that I'm going to put the seeds in. That way I'll mark where my plants are going to be, because if I just dropped it in the compost, I wouldn't know where they were. So that's what I'm doing there. You might wonder what this contraption is here that I'm showing you, but these are yard-long green beans, and they grow pretty long vines. And what's going to happen is I'm going to train them to go up the vine, go up the strings. Now last year when I grew my yard-long green beans, I had a grid put up, and it did quite well until it started trying to grow on top of the garage. But we just turned them back around, and they came down and everything. But I ordered these. I believe I got these from Baker Creek Seeds, and there's a pack of 50 Asian bean seeds, heirloom, and they did really well. They did really well. We got a lot of beans out of it. And you know, my biggest bean was actually 29 inches, but that's pretty good size for a bean, a green bean. And I'm getting ready to go ahead and put seeds in the ground, and then we wait. I've already watered it real good so that they'll go into some nice moist soil, and they'll be able to grow. And I'll show you the results later on, okay? All right, you guys, I appreciate every one of you for sticking with me, and the garden people and the other people, and we had a time in Barcelona. Oh man, we had a time. I met my wife's son and his family again, and we just had a good time. I want to thank Carlos and Chris for being excellent hosts and relatives. And well, I guess this is bye for now. But y'all stay tuned. I'll have another video coming out soon, and we will be gardening together this summer, and we're going to grow some stuff too. All right, y'all be blessed. Bye for now.